Hey, you, what it do? It's your boy, Robdoesitall, coming to you live and direct from the world's northernmost town, Longyearbyen, Svalbard, Norway. We got good news today, and that good news is that, yes, Lindsay, reindeer treats are still 25 cents. Today's topic is I'm going to answer a question a lot of people have been asking me. They've been asking me if I know the TikTok lady. The Svalbard TikTok lady, Cecilia Blomdahl, right? She is a Swedish woman living on Svalbard, island close to the North Pole. That's our video intro, something like that, right? But this is not a diss. It's not a diss. Cecilia's lit. She's dope. I remember when I was first coming here and I was looking up, like doing my research, I'm looking up YouTube and Svalbard, looking up everything, right? All the videos I seen was her videos. And I was like, okay, I was looking at her, checking it out, seeing what's going on. And her videos are lit. Her videos are dope. If you have not seen any of Cecilia Blomdahl's videos, you need to go watch like all of them. They're so amazing. I wish my videos could be like that because I could like do all the, go out. I'm like looking out my window. I could do all the going out and doing all that stuff. It's just making the videos. Yeah, I could make videos, but coming back and then trying to edit them and then do voiceovers and all that. Listen, I don't know how to do all that. That's why y'all just get me here to here. Boom, boom. See, I talk and you watch and listen. That's it. That's what I could do. Unless somebody gonna come edit videos for me, yeah, then it's just what's gonna be. Maybe one day I'll have a video editor and we'll be doing something cool. But yeah, no, see, Cecilia, she lives outside of town, right? And I mean, she's like super popular and everything. I mean, like everybody's all they say is TikTok. I actually found her on YouTube. I've never seen anything of hers on TikTok because I don't really be on TikTok. I do have a TikTok, and of course, it's at Robdoesitall. But I don't really post a bunch of stuff on there. I just kind of, like I said, I don't know how to do the editing and all that, so my stuff's not really that cool. But you should still go follow me at Robdoesitall because I do have some interesting videos and stuff. And you should follow me on Snapchat at Robdoesitall, Twitter at Robdoesitall, Instagram at Robdoesitall. And you just go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Boom, like, subscribe and follow me on YouTube. All the good stuff, right? But yes, Cecilia lives out of town. She lives in a cabin out of town, which in itself is crazy because there's very few cabins out there and they're not allowing anyone to build any like new ones. You can't just go build a new one. You can buy one from someone and then you can rebuild that one. But it has to be the same parameters, like the same dimensions as the one you're tearing down. So if you buy one from that's been up since like World War One, and you're like, man, I want to have like new wood and just make it look new. You can tear it down, but it has to be exactly the same as it was. And that's like a waiting list for a long time. I mean, it could be waiting 10 years, 20 years or whatever. Unless you just like cut a check and then, you can go buy, if you had enough money, you could go buy Cecilia's right now. I bet if you go offer her $10 million for that cabin, it's yours. She'd be like, yo, I'll be out tonight. Hold on. Matter of fact, I won't even pack. You could just keep everything in here. I'll buy new stuff when I get where I'm going. Man, I tell you what. But yeah, she lives out of town. So I guess to answer your question, no, I do not know Cecilia Blomdahl. I've never even seen her. I've never seen her. I've been living here like 4 months now. I've never seen her. I only see her on YouTube, just like you guys. So yeah, I mean, if I saw her, I would say what's up. I would tell her that her videos are lit, and it's only because of her videos that I was able to see Svalbard before I came. I mean, I was coming. I was gonna come anyway, but I mean, it was just nice to see it. I guess kind of like if you look on my YouTube channel, I got a lot of YouTube shorts and everything, and this is like the daily life of Svalbard. So, you can see all that stuff. But it's just nice to see because, You know, before I got here, I was like, yo, I never visited Svalbard. I never been to Longyearbyen. I didn't know anything. I was living in Brooklyn. I was look on the map and I'm like, damn. So you got northern Norway, which is already got cold. Then you got Svalbard was like way, way up there. Oh my goodness. So yes, to answer the question, no, I do not know Cecilia Blomdahl, but if she ever sees this, what's up? You need to holler at your boy Rob Does It All. And thank you for all the inspiration. And everybody out there, you need to go check her videos out. They're lit. All right, till next time. Holla brah.